Have you ever wondered why our steel pipes are trusted in the world's most stringent oil and gas projects? It's simple, because the companies that only accept the best all recognize Huayang. From CNOOC and Sinopec to Kuwait Oil Company, Petronas Gas, ADNOC, and Petrobras, Huayang has been fully approved as an official supplier to all of them. And what does that mean for every pipe we deliver? It means that the consistency of our welds, wall thickness stability, mechanical properties, and full process non-destructive testing have all passed the most stringent inspections in the oil and gas industry, which also means our pipes aren't just qualified, they're trusted, ready to perform in long-distance transmission, challenging environments, and high-risk conditions. So the next time you see Huayang steel pipes in projects around the world, remember this: we are there because we've earned the trust by global energy giants through our strength and expertise.